Thank you, it's Unjust. Thanks for tuning in. Got an update for you. I was able to order my parts over the weekend. Extremely excited. Yeah. For my new Ryzen build. I should be getting the parts in the next couple days to beginning of next week. I'll be doing unboxings. I'll be showing you what I bought, and then at the end of the series, I'll tell you how much I paid for it all. It's probably gonna blow your socks off. Maybe. Hey, we'll find out. I'm also gonna be showing you my current setup. Thanks again for tuning in. I'm glad you could, and I'll see you on the other side. Bye. Yeah, here we go. Here's my current setup. Nice dual monitor. Yeah, the light up there. The lamp there. Spread some light on this subject quick. See? So you can see I got a lamp there. That light up there. It's behind my webcam. And my dual monitor setup. That's my 1080p, but it's only 60 hertz. It works well. Getting me by. There's that old dinosaur that I picked up one day. There's a little bit of odds and ends, and there's a nice gouge here. Can't wait till my stuff comes in. So yeah, that's my current setup. It works. Gets the job done. There's my mouse and keyboard. Can't really see it too well. I'll pick it up. Oop. Should move that first. My soundbar right here works pretty good. No complaints there. Put that back up there. And of course, there's my tower, just kind of tucked away. So yeah, I'll be doing an updated video when I get my stuff in. Thank you. Thanks again for tuning in. This is Unjust, signing out. Peace.